Are you thinking about getting one of these car backseat protectors for your pets? This is how it looks like laid out. And I'll show you guys how it looks like in the car. Alright, so you can apply it to any backseat like this. And voila, easy. So this pet seat protector gives your upholstery a 360-degree protection. So there's like these hard plastic boards right here that you put underneath so the dog feels like it's flat. And if someone wants to sit in the back, like a third person, they can actually arrange it so that you sit right there and you can move the headrest piece to the center if your car has one. But for short rides it's fine. Otherwise it takes up the whole back seat. So as you can see, we also put a little bed sheet underneath because this is a rental car. So yeah, as you can see, this is hard right there. And there, you can also put a third hard piece right here too. There's a zipper here if you do want to allow your dog to come to the front right there. And these are the headrest ties right here. So it's easy to disassemble. And basically you unzip it right there. As you can see, these two things right here, you can unclip it right there. And then this prevents the dogs from going and touching the walls. This is a rental car, so we wanted to make sure that it's nice and clean when we return it. And then this part also is connected to the seats, and the headrest, and then also here as well. So then it's like a 360-degree little cage or baby crib. But then we have two dogs, so yeah, it's been really good so far. I give this a really good review. Quality is good enough, so yeah. We were going for really long rides, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours at a time. So I was still a little worried that the space might be too small, but after seeing, it's kind of like 2 king-size beds for them. There's a little pocket here you can put stuff for. Put the dog food or toys. Okay, so quite easy to disassemble. And now you could go wash it. That was about 1 week's worth of dog collected dirtiness for a 1 week trip. And this is how the back seat looks without any cleaning. Yeah, everything's nice and clean. Like I said, this is a rental car, so these are really good for rental car trips. And I'll just mention earlier, you could see that the boards go all the way over here, and then so underneath is more storage space. You could put luggage, you could put blankets, you could put dog food, things like that. And they fold up quite nicely into a small space, so it's easy to put away in the closet.